Captain's log, stardate 48650.1. We are en route to the K11 anomaly, a gravitational singularity in its earliest stages of formation. We have on board Dr. Aris Thorne of the Daystrom Institute, a physicist whose work has long been confined to the fringes of cosmological theory. Dr. Thorne posits a theory as audacious as any I have ever encountered, that black holes are not an end, but a beginning. That with every stellar collapse, a new universe, with its own Big Bang, is born. Starfleet has always tasked us with charting the unknown, but Dr. Thorne seeks to chart creation itself. The risks are considerable, but the chance to answer a question that has defined existence is a mission I cannot, in good conscience, ignore. We expect to reach the fallen star within the hour.
Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Isn't it beautiful, Captain? Okay, initiate the simulation. Account for the adjusted Hawking radiation. Excellent. The data confirms our prediction. Nice work.
Dr. Thorne, your file from the Institute is comprehensive. For 2 decades, your work on gravitational singularities has been called, and I quote, brilliant, radical, and profoundly unsubstantiated.
The trinity of every great leap forward, Captain. Copernicus, Galileo, Zephram Cochrane, they were all unsubstantiated until they weren't.
Indeed. You've requested the use of this vessel for a mission to the K11 anomaly. Starfleet has approved it, pending my own assessment of the risks. So please, Doctor, convince me.
For centuries, we've viewed black holes as the universe's cemetery. The end of the line. A final, inescapable punctuation mark on matter, energy, time itself. We have been catastrophically wrong. They are not graves, Captain. They are wombs. They are the engines of creation.
Creation? The laws of physics suggest they are the ultimate expression of destruction.
Only on our side of the door. We see a star collapse, we see matter crushed to an infinite point, and we call it an ending. We are only seeing half of the equation. My theory posits that what we call a singularity is a Big Bang. Every time a black hole forms in our universe, a new universe is born on the other side of an impenetrable gateway.
You're suggesting a cosmic cycle. A multiverse not of parallel timelines, but of progenitors and descendants connected by gravitational midpoints.
Precisely. And the K11 anomaly is our chance to prove it. It's a nascent singularity, still forming. The energy signatures are unique, unstable. It's a universe in the process of being born, Captain, and we have a front row seat. We can be the first to witness the moment of creation.
Witness or be consumed by it? The gravitational forces alone.
The risks are calculated. My models are sound. I have a method to scan beyond the event horizon, to capture the first primordial energy of a new existence.
Imagine, Jean-Luc, to chart the unknowable possibilities of existence. To answer the greatest question of them all, where does it all come from?
You believe this gateway is impenetrable. What if you're wrong? What happens when you open a door you cannot close?
I believe that is a risk you, of all captains, are uniquely qualified to take.
The first duty of every Starfleet officer is to the truth. Scientific truth, philosophical truth, or personal truth. It is the guiding principle upon which Starfleet is based. Picard to bridge.
Riker here, Captain.
Number 1, set a course for the K11 anomaly. Warp 8. Our guest has a universe to find.
Understood. We are approaching the coordinates for the K11 anomaly, Captain.
Take us out of warp, Mr. Crusher. Full stop.
Yes, Captain. Full stop.
On screen.
Shields to full power. Maintain this distance.
Shields are holding, Commander.
Mr. Data, analysis.
It is a Class 9 singularity, Captain, still in the process of stellar accretion. However, the energy readings are anomalous.
Specify, Mr. Data. What are we looking at here?
I am detecting standard gravimetric distortions, as expected. But I am also reading multiphasic temporal signatures, layered with subspace energy fluctuations that appear to be moving backwards in time.
The emissions do not conform to any known model of stellar collapse or quantum mechanics. They are, in a word, paradoxical.
Paradoxical. Of course it's paradoxical. It's new. Do you see? It is an eruption of anti-time, creating its own rules as we watch.
It's also giving off tremendous energy waves, Doctor. What our sensors can't explain can still kill us.
The amniotic fluid of a nascent cosmos. The energy is a byproduct of new physical laws being written.
Data's readings are not a sign of danger, they are proof. Proof that on the other side of that darkness, a universe is taking its first breath.
Mr. Data, is there any indication of what is causing the temporal signatures?
Negative, sir. The phenomenon does not have a discernible event horizon in the traditional sense. The temporal and gravitational forces appear to be intertwined. I do not have sufficient information to make a complete analysis.
Very well. Let us proceed with caution. Mr. LaForge should have the deflector dish ready. We will begin our observations from here.
You will not be disappointed, Captain. Today, the Enterprise is more than an explorer. It is a witness to creation.
Okay, that's it. The deflector dish is recalibrated. We've created a focused tachyon channel, just like you designed.
Excellent. The initial phase is complete, and we are ready to proceed with the next command. Inform the captain.
Not just yet, Doctor. I'm running a final power flow simulation, and I'm not liking what I'm seeing. The anomaly is throwing off chaotic energy waves across the subspace spectrum. When we fire a concentrated tachyon pulse into that, my simulations show a 90% probability of a feedback surge.
A surge? The deflector is shielded. It can handle a surge.
This feedback could bypass the primary shielding and cascade directly into the power transfer conduits. It could cripple our warp drive, or worse.
Commander, your simulations are based on known physics. They are extrapolating from data that no longer applies.
We are on the edge of a new frontier, and you are trying to navigate it with old maps.
It doesn't change the laws of thermodynamics, Doctor. And it won't stop a plasma fire in Jefferies Tube 25. My job is to worry about the old maps, especially when we don't have new ones to replace them.
Report, Mr. LaForge. What's the status?
The modifications are complete, Commander. The system is ready to fire on the captain's command.
What's the catch, Mr. LaForge? Spit it out.
I have a significant concern about energy feedback from the anomaly. A cascade failure is a distinct possibility.
How distinct?
I can't give you a precise number because we're dealing with too many unknowns. but it's enough to make me log a formal objection.
An objection? We are on the verge of the single greatest discovery in the history of sentience, and you want to file paperwork? The reward is a new universe. What is the risk?
This ship. And the 1,000 souls on board.
Your concerns are noted, Geordi, and logged. But the captain was aware of the potential risks when he approved this mission. You're getting your shot, Doctor. Let's hope it's worth it.
LaForge to bridge. The main deflector is ready. Standing by.
Crew-wide alert at the ready. Commander LaForge, make it so.
Wesley, we are ready. Initiate the tachyon pulse. Initiating tachyon pulse. In 3, 2, 1, engaging.
The beam has successfully penetrated the Singularity's core. We are receiving preliminary data.
Yes, yes. Here comes the science.
The Singularity is responding. I am detecting an inverse energy wave emanating from the point of impact. It is expanding at superluminal velocity.
Evasive maneuvers!
Report! Shields are failing. Power fluctuations across all decks. Impulse engines are offline. Thrusters are not responding. We are adrift, Captain. Captain, our position relative to the anomaly is no longer changing. It appears we are anchored in place. We are unable to move.